Think your kitchen couldn't get any smarter? Think again. In today's video, we're revealing 13 incredible cooking tools that can speed up meal prep, simplify cooking, and make everyday tasks easier than ever. From clever space-saving gadgets to innovative tools that deliver professional results, every product on this list is worth seeing. Stay until the end because our final pick is the ultimate kitchen upgrade you won't want to miss. Let's get cooking. What if you could cut your meal prep time in half with one simple kitchen gadget? This all-in-one vegetable chopper transforms whole vegetables into perfectly chopped, sliced, diced, or spiralized pieces in just seconds. Just place your ingredients inside, press the lid, and watch everything fall neatly into the built-in container with almost no mess. Swapping between blades takes only moments, making it perfect for salads, fries, soups, stir-fries, and more. Whether you're cooking for yourself or the whole family, this compact gadget delivers fast, consistent results every time. After using it once, you'll wonder why you ever chopped vegetables by hand. A great meal can be ruined by uneven seasoning, but this automatic salt and pepper grinder set helps you get it right every time. With just the press of a button, it delivers freshly ground spices in seconds, making cooking faster and more enjoyable. The adjustable coarseness settings let you customize every grind, from fine to coarse, while the built-in LED light shows exactly how much seasoning you're adding for better accuracy. Its large capacity design means fewer refills, so it's always ready when you need it. Whether you're cooking in the kitchen, grilling outdoors, or serving dinner at the table, this sleek grinder set brings effortless precision and modern convenience to every meal. Most air fryers promise crispy food, but this one takes things to a completely different level. With an ultra-hot cooking mode, it creates a golden, crunchy finish in minutes while keeping the inside tender and juicy. But that's only the beginning. It also roasts, bakes, reheats, dehydrates, and handles family-sized meals with ease, making it one of the most versatile appliances on your countertop. Powerful hot air circulates around every bite for fast, even cooking with little to no oil and almost no waiting. Whether it's crispy chicken, fresh fries, roasted vegetables, or late-night snacks, this kitchen gadget delivers restaurant-quality results with the push of a button. At first glance, it looks like an ordinary cutting board, but the material is what makes it so different. Instead of wood or plastic, it's crafted from solid titanium, creating a surface that won't absorb odors, stains, or food residue after repeated use. The double-sided design helps keep ingredients separate for cleaner meal prep, while 3 different sizes make it easy to handle everything from quick fruit slices to full dinner prep. When you're finished, simply rinse it off or place it in the dishwasher. It's a simple kitchen upgrade that combines durability, convenience, and a clean, modern design you'll notice every time you cook. If you're still using one knife for every cooking job, you're making meal prep much harder than it needs to be. This hand-forged butcher knife set gives you the perfect blade for every task, from trimming brisket and slicing steaks to filleting fish and chopping through tougher cuts with confidence. Each knife is crafted for outstanding sharpness, balance, and control, while the ergonomic handles provide a secure grip for comfortable use. The included roll bag keeps the entire set protected and ready to travel, making it just as useful for camping and backyard barbecues as it is in the kitchen. Once you experience the difference, ordinary kitchen knives simply won't compare. Grilling small foods like vegetables, shrimp, or diced meat usually means watching them fall straight through the grates, but this rolling grill basket solves that problem brilliantly. Simply load your ingredients, lock the basket, and roll it across the grill for even cooking on every side without constantly flipping each piece by hand. The durable stainless steel construction handles high temperatures with ease, while the removable wooden handle provides a comfortable grip for safe, easy turning. Its clever nesting design also makes storage and transport simple, making it perfect for backyard barbecues, camping trips, and outdoor cooking. It's one of those grilling gadgets that makes every cookout easier, cleaner, and much more enjoyable. What if you could cook an entire healthy meal without using multiple pots and pans? This 2-tier food steamer lets you prepare vegetables, seafood, rice, and more at the same time, saving both time and kitchen space. The stackable baskets keep ingredients separate while allowing them to cook evenly with hot steam, preserving their natural flavor and texture. Simply add water, set the timer, and let it do the work for you. Built-in auto shutoff and boil-dry protection provide added peace of mind, so you can focus on other tasks while your meal cooks. Fast, convenient, and easy to use, it's a smart upgrade for anyone who wants healthier home-cooked meals with less effort. You'd be surprised how much time this tiny kitchen gadget can save every morning. Instead of waiting for water to boil and hoping your eggs come out just right, simply add water, place the eggs inside, and press one button. In just minutes, it delivers perfectly cooked soft, medium, or hard-boiled eggs with consistent results every time. It can also poach eggs and steam small foods, making it far more versatile than its compact size suggests. Best of all, it automatically shuts off when cooking is complete, so you can walk away and focus on the rest of your morning while breakfast takes care of itself. You won't notice what's different about this toaster until you try to toast a thick slice of sourdough. While ordinary toasters leave oversized bread sticking out the top, this one is built with a long slot that handles artisan loaves with ease. Its slim design saves valuable counter space without sacrificing performance, making it ideal for modern kitchens. With adjustable browning controls, quick reheat and cancel functions, plus built-in anti-jam protection and automatic shutoff, every breakfast becomes faster and more convenient. It's a small change to your kitchen that you'll appreciate every single morning. Imagine making two hot, homemade breakfast sandwiches in just a few minutes without using multiple pans or standing over the stove. This dual breakfast sandwich maker layers your favorite bread, eggs, cheese, and meats into a perfectly cooked sandwich with almost no effort. Simply add your ingredients, set the timer, and let the machine do the rest. The built-in egg cooking rings create perfectly sized eggs, while the customizable design lets you use English muffins, croissants, mini waffles, or your favorite bread. Whether you're rushing out the door or feeding the whole family, this clever kitchen gadget delivers fresh, satisfying breakfasts faster than a drive-thru. If your morning coffee routine feels ordinary, this 3-in-1 coffee machine is about to change everything. It combines rich espresso, smooth drip coffee, and refreshing cold brew in one premium appliance, giving you cafe-style drinks without leaving home. The built-in grinder uses freshly ground beans for maximum flavor, while the hands-free milk frother creates silky foam for lattes and cappuccinos at the touch of a button. An assisted tamping system helps produce balanced, consistent espresso with minimal effort. Whether you're brewing a quick morning cup or crafting your favorite specialty drink, this all-in-one machine delivers convenience, versatility, and barista-quality results from the comfort of your own kitchen. It doesn't look like much, but this compact sandwich maker can completely change the way you make quick meals. Instead of waiting for a frying pan to heat up, simply load your favorite ingredients, close the lid, and let it do the work. In just minutes, you'll get a perfectly crisp, golden sandwich with hot, melted fillings from edge to edge. The nonstick cooking plates make cleanup almost effortless, while the indicator lights remove all the guesswork. Whether it's a quick breakfast before work, an after-school snack, or a late-night grilled cheese, this little appliance delivers delicious results with speed, convenience, and almost zero hassle. Fresh, warm mini donuts usually mean a trip to the bakery, but this compact donut maker lets you make them right at home in just minutes. Simply pour in the batter, close the lid, and watch it bake 7 perfectly shaped mini donuts with a soft, fluffy center and a delicious golden finish. The double-sided nonstick cooking surface heats evenly for consistent results and effortless cleanup afterward. Once they're ready, decorate them with chocolate, cinnamon sugar, sprinkles, or your favorite toppings for endless combinations. Compact, fun, and incredibly easy to use, it's the perfect kitchen gadget for family breakfasts, parties, or satisfying your sweet tooth anytime. Thanks for watching. Which of these cooking tools was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed discovering smart kitchen upgrades, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest videos. We'll be back soon with even more amazing cooking tools, kitchen gadgets, and must-have Amazon finds. Until next time, happy cooking and thanks for watching.